Tim. Colin Pritchard, Edinburgh University. Hi, Tim. Thank you very much for your very cogent explanation. I would basically agree with you on geoengineering, except may I infer that you prefer an enormous global scale, uncontrolled experiment in geoengineering as opposed to a small scale, uncontrolled one. At the moment, we are in the former, and it seems to be a little bizarre to prefer the former to the latter.
I'm certainly not preferring carrying on with our current uncontrolled experiment, and I'm not. What's the right word? I'm not monolithically set against things that are being discussed under the banner of geoengineering. So it's quite a nuanced, I think that's quite a nuanced discussion to have, perhaps over lunch, because it really depends on the options you're considering. So you've got some things which would be reflective roofs and road surfaces that are very practical local adaptation options against urban heat islands that, if you did it on a large enough scale, could have some measurable effect on regional climate, and I think are very sensible. So we have to I think we have to be nuanced on specific proposals, specific technologies, but I think we can perhaps all agree that we certainly, none of us want to continue the current uncontrolled experiment. I guess knowing the numbers, we realize that we would like the strongest mitigation efforts possible, but we now know that some additional things, including carbon removal from the atmosphere, we may want to develop that capability because we may need it as a part of the risk management portfolio.